Hey guys, big day in the Tech Sound studio today. As you can see, we got some new stuff here. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be hooking up this projector. We're going to be mounting it to the ceiling, running our big HDMI cables. We're going to be mounting our LG TV to the wall on an articulating mount so we can push it back out of the way. And then last but certainly not least, we've got a 109-inch daylight motorized projector screen that we're going to be hanging in front of our TV so it drops down in front of it. You guys said I needed a bigger screen, so I got one. Stay tuned, guys. Let's see how she goes. So we've got a 35-foot HDMI cable that we ordered off Amazon. And let's see if it works. Alright guys, well, projector's all installed. Now the hard part. We gotta get this 104-inch long, over 100-pound roll of fabric in a metal case with a control panel up to the roof. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it by myself, so I'm gonna get on the phone and start calling some buddies, see who can get here. There we go. Now as you can see, we've got a floating TV that just barely clears our amps by about an inch or so. Okay guys, are you ready? It's time for the really hard part now. Gotta try and mount this over 100-pound screen about 8 feet in the air to the ceiling. And I've recruited some help, and while I was waiting for them, what I've done is I've located my ceiling joists and I made some strapping blocks that I'm going to screw to 2 joists just to span them. And then I put a little backer on here just to back the screen. Normally if you were just hanging on the wall, you wouldn't need something like this, but because I want to mount it out in front of my TV so I can drop it down in front, I just wanted something to keep the bracket or the housing of the screen square. So I made these little brackets. And then that way if you want to move it back and forth, either way you get some play. So let's put those in while we're waiting for help. Alright, so my buddy's here, and while I was waiting I got the other side up. So we're just going to try, see if I line up the holes, and hopefully it just hangs. See what happens. Try it. I'll go first then.
Just hold on to it, just put it on and pop off.
I think it's on.
Yeah, it's almost in. I think we got it. Yeah, that feels pretty good.
Oh, there you go. One motorized screen installed. First shot. Okay, so yeah, hung up. First try. Here we go. Let's see if it works.
Hello.
Oh, she works. And check out how perfect this is. Could it get any better than that?
Perfection.
Well, there you go, guys. That's the upgrades to the theater. We got the new projector, we got the TV wall mounted behind the screen, and we got the drop down screen. Let me know what you think in the comments. Remember to subscribe and like the video. If you didn't like it, you can do that too. Take care, guys.